In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the RSI, Relative Strength Index indicator on TradingView step by step, 2025. The RSI is a popular momentum indicator that ranges from 0 to 100 and helps you quickly spot potential overbought and oversold conditions. It's a great tool to add context to price action, and setting it up in TradingView takes just a moment. First, open TradingView and navigate to any chart. You can use any symbol or time frame you prefer. Stocks, crypto, forex, it all works the same. Once your chart is open and visible, look toward the top toolbar. Click the Indicators and Strategies button, the one with the little flask icon. This opens the Indicators window, where you can search among built-ins, community scripts, and more. In the search bar at the top, type RSI. You'll see several results, but make sure to choose Relative Strength Index, RSI, under the built-ins section. This is the standard version that most traders rely on for consistency. As soon as you select it, the RSI panel will appear below your price chart. By default, you'll see a line oscillating between 0 and 100, with a midpoint around 50 and typical guide levels near the top and bottom. This gives you a quick visual read on momentum and potential shifts in trend strength. To fine-tune it for your style, click the Settings gear icon next to the RSI label on the chart. In the Settings window, you can adjust the length, which controls how many periods the RSI uses for its calculation. The default is often 14. Shortening it makes the RSI more sensitive to recent moves, while lengthening it smooths out noise. You can also choose the source, such as closing price, if you prefer a different input based on your strategy. For levels, you'll typically see 70 and 30, which many traders use for overbought and oversold zones. If you like a stricter filter, you might opt for 80 and 20. Finally, set colors that are easy on your eyes. Clear line colors, level line colors, and background visibility can make the indicator much easier to read during fast market conditions. When you're happy with the adjustments, click OK to save your changes. Your RSI will update immediately, and those settings will stick with your current chart layout, making your workflow smoother the next time you open it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.